In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn a 2D image into a 3D object in Cinema 4D. We'll start in Adobe Illustrator to convert your flat image into clean vector paths, because Cinema 4D works best with splines. Open your image in Illustrator, then trace it into vectors. If it's a logo or a simple shape, use Image Trace to get a clean outline. Choose a mode that suits your artwork, then expand the result to turn it into editable paths. If the design is more intricate, you can also trace it manually with the pen tool. Take a moment to tidy up. Remove any stray points, make sure shapes that should be solid are closed paths, and check that holes, like the inside of letters, are separate paths nested correctly. Cleaner vectors here mean fewer issues later. When your paths look good, save the file specifically as an Adobe Illustrator 8 format. This classic format ensures Cinema 4D reads the splines reliably. Go to Save As, choose Illustrator 8, and confirm. That's all you need from Illustrator. Now switch over to Cinema 4D. Import the Illustrator file by using File and Merge, or drag and drop it into the viewport. You'll see your paths appear in the Object Manager as splines. If they come in very large or very small, don't worry. You can scale them once they're in the scene. The important thing is that the paths are visible and intact. Next, create an extrude object. This is the generator that will give your flat spline thickness. In the Object Manager, drag your imported spline so it becomes a child of the extrude. The moment you do that, Cinema 4D converts the 2D outline into a 3D object. If nothing shows up, make sure the spline is properly nested under the extrude, and check that the spline is enabled. With the basic 3D form in place, adjust the extrude depth to set how thick you want the object to be. A small value keeps it subtle, while a larger value creates a more substantial piece. You can also tweak orientation if the thickness goes in an unexpected direction, and refine the mesh by adjusting intermediate point settings on the spline for smoother curves. If you notice odd geometry, go back to Illustrator to close gaps or simplify overlapping paths, then re-import. That's it. Convert to vectors in Illustrator, save as Illustrator 8, import into Cinema 4D, add an extrude, and place your spline under it. You've turned a 2D image into a clean 3D object, ready for materials, lighting, and rendering.